In this video, you are going to see how to set the page number and date and time in PowerPoint slide. Let's get started. To insert the page number and date and time, go to Insert and go to Header and Footer. And under the slide option, let me click on the date and time. Here set the language English United States. You can change the date and time format from here. I can choose this format or this one. Actually, I want the static date and time. So let me choose this one, fixed, and I want to insert the slide number. Here you can see the preview, the slide number in the right and the date and time will be in the left. Now if I click on apply to all, it will set all the slides. If I click on apply, it will set only on slide. Let me click apply to all, and here you will see the magic. This is the date and this is the slide number. The slide number 2 and this is the slide number 3. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.